Janet. This is Brian from GP Rod and Customs. How are you doing?
Good, and yourself?
I'm doing all right. I need to order a seat kit for a 95 Impala. Today I'm going to let y'all know a little bit about what we're doing. Our next build right here. It's a 95 Chevrolet Impala SS. Hey, what's up? This is Brian from GP Rod and Customs, and I'm here to tell you about the new build that we're doing. It's a 95 Chevrolet Impala SS. So what we're going to do is we've got quite a bit going on here. We're going to dynamite. We're going to pull everything out first of all, dynamite the entire floor, the inside and the outer skins of the door, the trunk. We're going to pull the headliner out. We're going to dynamite the roof. While the headliner's out, we're going to cut in the sunroof. We're going to suede the headliner. We're going to recover the seats that are in it. We're getting seats from Road Wire. So there'll be new leather seats with suede inserts, perforated suede inserts. We're recovering the door panels. The top of the doors have factory leather on them. We're going to recover it with brand new leather. We're going to re-dye panels if it need to be. We're going to order new parts for it if the car needs it. Basically, we're going to make this car look brand new. Besides that, we're also going to add a big audio system. So we're talking two 12s, two kicker 12s, and a bandpass box with a blow-through the rear deck. Set of K2 focals, 6.5 component set Kevlars in the rear deck. KX3 Kevlars in the front doors and pillars, so there'll be a 6 in the front door, 3-inch in the pillar, and a tweeter in the sail panel of the door. 2 amps, 2 JL 905s. We're going to run the 3-ways active. We're going to use a Moscone processor to process the music, to time align, and do all that good stuff, so it'll be an excellent sounding stereo system. We're also going to have to narrow the rear end as we put new wheels on it. It's got bigger wheels, so we're going to have to narrow the rear end. We should get away without having to tub the vehicle. So other than that, I think that about covers everything. So like this video, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and always share the knowledge.